Hello, can we have a small video clip?
You want a picture?
I'm a teacher.
Okay.
And I
Yeah,
teach
in
students,
English?
yes, of
Oh,
course,
okay.
English.
Yeah.
He's handsome than me. Where are you from?
London.
London?
Yeah.
100% English.
Very English.
Where are you from?
Chile.
Chile?
South America, yeah.
Oh, South America. So, how many times did you visit India?
Oh, this is my first time.
First time.
Yeah.
And what places, especially tourist places, have you seen in
Oh,
Agra?
so in Agra, I've seen obviously the Taj Mahal, and then we've come here, and then we went to the bazaar, the old city bazaar.
Okay. And how do you think, and what do you think about India?
Oh, I love the culture. I think it's so vibrant. The people are always on the make. Like, you know, it's so busy, but then also so peaceful at the same time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, in the past, British were the rulers of India.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are not going to talk about the past.
Exactly.
We'll
past
talk
is
about
the
the
past.
present. Yes, of course.
The past is the past, but it's important to respect everybody and realize that, you know, India is now its own country and is doing amazing. You know, I do believe that India's now overtaken the UK for GDP.
Because the PM of UK,
is
his
Hindu.
origin is Indian.
Rishi
Okay, from
Sunak.
Kerala. Rishi Sunak. Okay. So that was the past, and today is the present.
Exactly. And it's
of course,
respect everybody.
you were saying that the India is ruling UK in a funny way, of course. And I want to know that for you, is it tough or very easy to visit India? Regarding language, because here most of the people they do not speak English.
No, I think the opposite. I think like when you go to Thailand or Asia, less people speak English. In India, a lot more people speak English. Yeah.
And as I teach my students,
Yeah.
actually we belong to the Indo-European family,
Okay.
where English language has produced, as well as Hindi, Urdu, lots of Asian languages.
Urdu, Punjabi, like
So I also teach my students why the Indians are quick learners of English, because we are very close contact with the Britishers.
Yeah.
So that's why it's very.
It's also like, you know, lots of the signs are in English.
Yes, of course. In Oxford University, in Cambridge University, lots of Indian students are over there.
Lots of you know, even there's lots of Indian people that are living in the UK.
Okay, do you play cricket?
Not cricket. I like rugby.
No.
I
Oh my
like rugby,
God.
not cricket.
Because T20 World Cup is going on in USA.
Yeah.
And we are the big fans of cricket.
Yeah, everybody in India like
Of course.
I mean, I dip in and out, but I'm more rugby is my sport.
Yes. World Cup.
T20 World Cup, a sport that we created. We're not very good, of course, but it's the same. Tennis, you know.
These are my friends, because he's
Nice
also the teacher of mathematics.
Okay,
And
teacher of maths, that's my job. That is my job in London. I'm an accountant.
Oh my God.
Great.
Accountant.
Anyway, thank you so much. It was nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Take care.
It's a long time to talk to you. Nice to meet you. We are very proud to meet you, because you are from.
And I'm so happy to be an Indian.
We Indians are bhai and British are bhai. We have to make our world peaceful.
Exactly. It's about
This is our duty or
respecting
responsibility. Forget the past and think about the present and think about the future. Okay. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
I say something about my students.
Well done for wanting to
I belong to a rural area where most of the students are very weak at English.
Yeah.
And I practice myself. That's why I teach and say something about my English.
Okay.
What do you think?
As someone who doesn't speak a second language, I think it's amazing that you want to learn English and try and get as perfect
My name
English
is Chandan.
as
Say something
Chandan.
about Chandan, sir.
Get as perfect English as Channel.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
Take
nice
care.
to meet you.